Hey guys, so today we're going to teach Lance how to ollie higher.
Ball grab. I had to.
Yeah, so anyways, I think when we very first taught you how to ollie, I think you ollied these like the shorter way, 3 of them.
Yeah, that's right.
So today we're going to stack them up. We're going to see how high we can teach you how to ollie. I'm
kind of scared because we had it stacked up a little bit earlier and it was high. It was like, I couldn't even jump.
It was like this high and he was like,
well,
I shouldn't have worn such tight pants.
I did say that, for the record. I did say that.
All right, so.
Here's my ollie so far.
All right, so I noticed that your ollie so far is not very high.
You think I can get it higher?
I think you get a little bit higher, maybe a smidge.
Okay.
So I noticed that when you ollie, your front foot is about right there. So look at how much room you have to move your foot up. None. So a way to ollie higher is to move your front foot back. Now look at how much room you have to put your foot up. And again, you want to keep your foot going and then you want to push it out that way. And that's what's going to bring your board up and level it out in the air. So if you do an ollie like this, not very high, like a rocket ollie, you have to go up and then push that foot forward and level it out. And that's what's going to take you over an obstacle. You got it?
Let me see if it makes a difference.
Go ahead.
So this is normal.
Yep.
Okay. It's not bad. So how far back?
Try it there. Boom! Yeah. That was at least 20 feet in the air.
It's better.
It's better. The way you do this is you build it up on a gradient.
Okay.
So this is 1 high.
Okay.
Ready? If you ollie this first try, I got mad street cred respect for you.
Sweet.
Oh, mad street cred respect. That does not count. Let's do it again. Even got the high five at the end. Beautiful, beautiful.
Hey bro, get out of my way. I'm skating here.
Bro. So that was 1.
That was awesome.
Now let's do 2. What? Okay. 2 high. You got this? First try, mad street cred.
I eat pieces of wood like that for breakfast.
I know. I've seen it. It's disgusting. Oh! I love watching him roll up.
Yeah, my balance is always like back here.
That's fine. You got it. Take it down.
Okay.
Oh! You would have made it over if it was just 2 high, stacked 1. But you hit the second one.
Yeah, I'm still hitting that nerve factor. As soon as I get...
You're getting scared?
Yeah.
Dude, you can't get scared on 2.
I know.
It's gonna get higher.
It's going to 4?
I don't know. Maybe it's going to 5.
I'm scared.
You got that.
Okay.
You're over it. Now you just gotta fully commit, land on the board. You got it, you got it. Did that feel good?
Yeah.
That was so smooth right there.
I picked up. That felt good. That was actually a nice clean one. What are you doing? You go, oh no. Oh, gosh.
That was nice and clean. Basically, same thing, I mean, really.
So, I just gotta jump higher. What changes, you know? Like, it's just getting more speed? Is it jumping higher? Is it both?
First of all, you have to pop at the right time. So keep your eye on the obstacle. And then you want to pop like pretty close because your board is going to be coming up and going like this. And again, it's very important, like you're going to pop here, you start dragging your foot up and your board's going to be like that. And then right there, that's where you start pushing your front foot forward, which is going to take your board over that obstacle.
I noticed on the 2, what happened a few times is I kind of did like that. You know, like my wheels touched and then I kind of...
Yeah, well, just push your front foot forward. I mean, obviously this is a good obstacle.
Bit of a cleaner ollie.
Yeah, and this is a good obstacle to learn on because if you hit it, it's going to fall over.
Yeah, I like that.
If you're trying it over like a flat rail, you would hit the rail and die.
Right.
So yeah,
no doubt.
It's a good way to practice. I'm glad that you committed and at least jumped over it.
Yeah, it's a bit of a recipe for disaster.
I was thinking in my head he's gonna stop and not try the ollie, but you did.
I tried it. It's just weird. It's like, and mentally I go, I can't do this. Like, it just doesn't seem like I'll have the physical properties of making it over. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So we're lowering it a little bit.
Try that.
Okay, that looks better.
That's kind of in between those two.
Yeah. One more step.
Take it down. Oh, what? First try.
So funny. It's such about just staying over your board no matter what.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do just put that one up a little higher.
Perfect pyramid.
The perfect step by step. This should be only 1.5 inches higher than the last one. Think about that.
Okay. We should...
When you were riding up to the obstacle, I could tell your front foot was pretty far up, and I knew you were going to do that.
Really?
Yeah.
I was thinking, man, I should not have worn such tight pants.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking always anyways. Usually Lance accidentally forgets his board, so he doesn't have to do things like this.
Yeah.
All right, take it down.
But today, forced wheels came out.
Whoop, whoop. What? That hurt. That definitely hurt. And I'm gonna have to get a massage on my arm.
Did that hit your arm?
Yeah.
Really? It felt like a great high five.
Well, anyways, what I was gonna say is I'm pretty sure you were literally about this high. We're gonna have to watch the tape again, but I'm pretty sure you were this high.
Gabe, were we that high? We were pretty high.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm telling you, here's what I did. Is I watched your, I don't know where I learned this, but I think it was on the How to Ollie the Fastest Way tutorial. So my foot was right here. I moved my foot back, and then instead of just sliding up, like instead of just doing this,
yeah,
I did this and then pushed it out to level it, and that's really what made the difference there.
Oh, really? Huh. It's funny you say that because I've literally told you that's what you have to do in this tutorial today about 8 times.
I'm sorry for learning something, okay?
No, it's good. That's good that you learned. I just think it's so funny.
Well, maybe what I should say is I just did that.
Okay.
And I really saw it work because I practiced it over there off screen.
Well, let me just say this. Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, we're going to take this one up to its highest height, and then this one.
This was what killed me the last time.
This is what killed you. This is what took you out.
So I'm back. I'm back again, Wood.
So I know you already have it in your mind that you can't do it, so let's see if you can do it. Oh! Power ollie!
That was good. There's a little wheel scrape on that one. You know what I mean? Like, obviously it wasn't a lot.
Oh, yeah?
The boards didn't go over.
I didn't see that at all, but let's do it again. Boop!
I shouldn't have said anything.
2 to make it true. Oh! What?
Boom! That was nothing.
Like a boss.
Go fast and commit.
Yeah, that's right.
All day, every day. Oh, Aaron, I'm scared. That's big. I mean, this is big.
Actually, if you look at it, that's only knee high.
That's like as high as I can jump.
You can jump a lot higher than that. I mean, at this point, you already know what to do. There's not really much more instruction for you. It's just kind of, this is the point where it's real, go faster and commit. Let's see if I can ollie it. That'll be
You
the
have trouble with them, huh?
I should purposely mess up just so you're like freak out.
No, you should purposely mess up so that I land it and then I'm like, what? Easy.
I knew that was gonna happen. I don't even blame him. When you're riding up to this thing, it looks like a wall. Don't worry, Lance, you got it. It's like I'm going too slow. What do you think?
Well, at least I know I can go kind of slow when doing it. Or you just
I wouldn't.
bad example.
No, that was yeah. It's definitely easier to go faster.
All right, I just got to do it, bruh.
Run and jump over it.
You know what? That's actually really easy.
Really easy, I know. I told you. You're like, I can't even jump that high.
Yeah, but
when you're
like if I try to jump like this, just with standing still, that would be hard. But running and jumping is actually really easy.
yeah. Go fast and commit. You got it. Your feet went over it, your board just hit it. Like you just kicked your board away. I got to at least do one good ollie over it.
Funny, my body just flew.
You got it.
I don't know why I get scared.
You think you got this?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think let's give it. First of all, you haven't even given it a real solid try yet.
I don't know what I'm scared of.
Running into this and falling?
Yes, yeah. Just like clipping and then slamming down.
Yeah.
I don't know if that would even happen though.
I don't think it would.
Because of these boards.
Yeah, they would fall over. Do it, Lance.
Every time
Take it down.
That was close.
So close.
See, that's a speed I'm comfortable with.
So here's what happened. You just didn't push your front foot forward enough. Well, it was probably just a lack of commitment, but your wheel hit about right there. So literally, all you would have had to do is go like that. It's funny, you know, in all those skate sport, that Doug ollie over the desk, it looks like he's gonna hit it, but then right there he goes. That's what you gotta do. And a big part of that is just committing.
I really want it to look sick, like, you know, like with my legs up.
Is that what looks sick?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I just want you to ollie it. I don't even care how it looked. That was it, Lance. Every time he goes, no matter how high his ollie is, I always tell him that was high enough, even if it was like this high. Support. You didn't even try on that one. You totally went over it.
I'm just kicking away.
That was high enough.
That was high enough?
Yeah, that was like probably, I'm gonna say 3.5 inches higher.
Stop.
You got it.
I'm kicking away.
Take it down.
It's just like,
You know, I think it may even have been your timing, but I don't want you to change anything. I just want you to do it because you're so close. But I think if your timing was a little earlier, you probably would have, I mean, your wheels hit it, then it bounced up, but you probably would have just had it up and over. So yeah, just make sure that your timing of pushing that front foot forward is early enough to actually let go. Cool. Watch this. It's gonna land it right here. Got 100% faith. Lance Silber, at Lance Silber Instagram. What? Oh my gosh! That was incredible.
that was so awesome.
That was amazing.
I was like, I'm not letting go of this.
That was incredible.
Yeah.
That's actually really high. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think you were gonna do it at all. I'm just kidding.
Take that, Aaron.
I knew you could do it. I knew you could do it. So what did you learn on this, Lance?
The main thing I learned, like, is I would have trouble doing fast ollies. You know, we did a fast ollie skate support.
Yeah.
And the way I started out was do a little one.
Right.
So I was like, how do I do a big one going fast?
Yeah.
And it is that point you showed me about pushing my front foot forward.
Right.
So it also helps like push your momentum with the board.
Right. Sends you over the obstacle.
Yeah. It's easier to do it moving, I'm not gonna lie.
No, for sure.
Okay.
Which is a big step forward, because I remember when you're even trying to learn to do the ollies going fast, you're having a rough time.
Yeah.
And then today you come and ollie over something that's waist high. It's pretty high.
I'm getting comfortable ollieing. That's
Yeah.
my favorite trick. Anyway, so here's
Boom.
like, you know,
See, even that alone was high.
yeah, it's a lot easier to do while moving. I'll just do a little one.
Boom! Who is this guy?
By pushing my foot out, I was like over my board way more. I didn't like land this way, that way, back, and I just had a nice clean high ollie. So it makes a big difference.
Yeah, that was amazing. Super, super good job. It's incredible to see how far Lance has come. Definitely get Skateboarding Made Simple. If you want to learn how to ollie really well, ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, pop shove, front shove, heel flip, kick flip, that's in Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. But there are actually 5 different volumes, and they go up to some pretty advanced tricks. There's manual tricks, there's ledge tricks, there's skate park tricks. So check them out. All 5 are available at brailleskateboarding.com and on iTunes as a digital downloadable iBook for your iPhone, iPad, everything, iWorld,
iPhone 6.
iPhone 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. So definitely go there, get it now. Thanks again for all of you guys' incredible support. Leave Lance a comment below because he likes to read and see how you guys feel about his progression.
Tell me, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, this is high. This is high.